Look at the corrosion here. It looks like the fuselage is compromised near the cockpit. We should note the structural integrity failure. Watch the alignment, keep it steady. Fill that lower section first. "450 centimeters.
I'm concerned about the sleeping area placement.
We could shift the living area forward slightly.
Let's keep the bathroom here. It simplifies the plumbing.
What do you have there? Looks like exactly 120 inches.
Looks good. Solid work.
Yeah, I'm happy with how it turned out.
All right, let's try to leverage it out. Ready?
Ready? On 3.
Pull hard now.
What a difference that makes.
The view is even better now. We need to push this corner tighter against the frame. All right, let's secure it now before the wind picks up.
We did it!
It's perfect.
Morning. This view is absolutely stunning.
It really is. I could stay here forever.